Saying to me, connecting to realm, just taking forever. I'm watching these fucking cubes go doink, 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 doink. Wait.
Yeah, Mike.
Wait,
yeah,
oh,
wait.
hi.
Oh, I see him. You low-key blend into the mushroom behind you.
I'm gonna break the laws of my district.
I'm gonna break the laws of Minecraft.
Do you need a pickaxe? Oh, okay. Bye.
See, I'm not about to follow your
Yeah, we're not.
dumbass.
I'm not following you.
All right. I'm making charcoal, so I can have a torch in my hand.
I think that only works with the shaders.
Yeah, that only works.
You gotta place them.
I'm gonna kill myself.
He just got mad. I hear an Enderman already. I would like to revoke my license to live.
Don't worry, I think the Enderman has you covered.
I put my stick.
I'm serious.
Alright, I ran out of ladders.
Where's my goddamn brightness?
YOLO!
An ally has been slain.
What's this?
Oh.
Hi.
I thought I took the damage. That was you.
Is that
Oh, Lily, we're here.
Whee! Ow.
Hey yo, why can't I use wood things for a furnace? Y'all trash. Y'all are trash. Hey yo, how do we light a furnace, bro? So what happened to you two dummies?
We have less cave.
It's bad at the game.
We have extra ladders.
Okay,
Don't
so we're
worry,
not gonna
we
die
won't
this
again.
time?
We have technology.
We have technology.
No, we're still gonna die.
Oh,
Just
okay.
like fall damage.
Okay.
Nice.
I feel better
Well,
about
we'll actually both insta die.
Ow!
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's how I gotta do it.
Okay, we gotta fix that. Hold on. Wait, do I have blocks? I have blocks. Hold on, let me fix this. Step over here.
I'm a very Yankee boy. Y'all are garbage, bro. Y'all are garbage, bro. That's hilarious. You'll be missed. Oh, COVID.
Alright, so Lily, we have an issue.
Didn't you lose the ladders?
I don't have the ladders in
Fuck!
here. I can't squeeze in here. Don't push me, please.
Don't push me, please.
I'm trying not to.
Y'all gotta
Aim for the
go.
bushes.
Aim for the bushes.
There's an Enderman down there.
Okay, so you said aim for the bushes, right, Jaden?
Okay, no, we're aiming for gravel this time.
Gravel?
We're aiming
Is
for
that the
gravel.
brown? Is that the gray shit?
I mean, everything in the cave is almost gray, so good luck.
I can't see that, so.
Oh well,
I'm
I got
coming down
this.
with
Don't
extra
worry.
ladders.
See, watch, I'm gonna
Gravel
survive.
But you didn't.
Gravel is great.
Wait, no.
Don't worry, Jaden. I'm following you.
It's a glitch in Minecraft.
Jaden, I'm right behind you. Don't fall.
There's a glitch in Minecraft that allows you to duplicate things.
I lost the ladders again.
Yeah.
I have ladders again.
Are you gonna lose them?
Has the sun rose yet, bro?
Hey, Jaden, why do you have arrows in you?
Why do you have arrows in you? This boy got laser.
Alright, and if I do this, big brain next
Dude,
to
I'm
me.
scared.
Oh, you using
Oh,
gravel?
mine's down there.
Wait, what?
Wait, is
Mine,
that a
what?
mod or an Enderman? That's the Enderman.
Is that or an Enderman? Love you too.
A little too black. A little too black, Jaden.
I promise you, I'm not looking at you, please.
Please, I'm dead.
He's angry at me.
He's not angry at me.
F.
I'm safe. Oh my god, this is gorgeous.
Yes, bro.
This is.
Yeah, that cave is amazing.
Oh my.
He needs some milk.
He fell off the ladder. That's you. Fell off the ladder, bro. Ah, spider! Spider! Okay.
I had 2 hearts and I didn't know.
Oh my
God.
god.
Enderman is an enemy.
Hi.
Yeah, as
Alright,
gorgeous
let's
as you
go down.
got to live.
No, Jaden, he's still angry at you. Jaden, he's still angry at you. Jaden, he vibrated.
Maybe
Jaden.
he's angry at you.
No,
Maybe
he's
he's
not.
vibrating.
Ah! Spider!
Dude, he's
Spider!
vibrating. Bro, I'm enjoying
Jaden, can we
just
not?
listening
Jaden, stop!
to this.
Leave me alone!
Is she okay?
Spider!
Is she okay?
There was water down here the whole time?
Yes.
This man died
Enderman,
so
I'm not
many
looking at
times
you.
and there's water.
Enderman, I'm not looking at you. I promise. Leave me alone.
Yes, you are.
Oh. Now.
Bing.
And then he gets folded. That is beautiful. I would say
Oh, hi, Mark.
turn it on just so I could die for fun. Into I'm dead. You know.
I came looking for booty.
Oh,
I'm
my
currently
screen has been
trapped
left.
because there's an Enderman staring at me.
Well, give him a hug.
No. Well, hi.
He wants a hug.
Where did you trap yourself at?
I'm just gonna punch him. Cause
I'm just gonna punch
he can't
him.
hurt me. Come back here. Come here. Hi.
Funny
Hi.
if he teleport in that room with you and beat your ass.
Oh, well, I'm currently in a place where he can't teleport to because it's too big for him. Or too small for him. Hey.
Apparently not.
Never mind! Oh, right. They hate water. I'm by water.
I'm just waiting here. An ally has been slain.
An ally has been slain.
Fuck you!
An ally has been slain.
Why do I have arrows in me?
Why? Cause you got smoked? I don't know.
I have so many arrows in me. I look like a starfish. I have that many arrows in me.
Okay, yeah, I'm getting close to them. I hear they're getting louder.
That's not. Well, that's just a dead end.
Wow, they're mad loud.
Where is your? I saw your name. Oh. Ahmad, did you just get blown up by a creeper? Ahmad?
I did not need that.
I
If
heard.
I was home alone, I would have lost my manhood with that scream.
Move.
Who got the stone?
Move. Yo, black ass. Ow, 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 ow.
That
Ahmad,
was racially
Ahmad,
motivated.
Ahmad, please.
Now it's
please,
not
please,
my
please,
fault.
please, please, please.
You teleport.
Please! Oh, fuck, right, teleport! Oh.
I can't get you.
That was racially motivated.
It wasn't my
Exactly.
fault. I was trying to get the iron that's above gravel. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he?
He went into the lush cave and died. Yeah, I just realized I could have teleported to you instead of trying to find. Oh,
Ah!
there you go again.
What the freak?
Bye, Xavier. Have fun.
Milk and cookies, milk and cookies.
Xavier.
And I
Oh
just
my.
Fuck your life!
Get a replay of what happened to Zay. Oop.
I dropped moss on the zombie and it took damage for some reason.
I
Oh.
love how Jaden just gets folded out of nowhere.
Well, that's. Xavier's gonna die in 3, 2,
You stupid!
1. I think Jaden got annihilated.
Yeah, he got snatched. Yeah, he got snatched and he died. He about to come back and get mad like, who killed me? Oh, you got folded.
Oh, there he
Yeah,
is.
you got.
I'm gonna put this one. Oh my god.
You're nowhere near it.
You're nowhere near us.
Oh my god.
That's okay.
Oh my god.
Why did I hear a creeper explode?
Yo,
stairs.
is Jaden okay? Can we do we need to put him in a bubble?
Guys, I got us.
Love it.
Guy, what
Yeah.
Oh
the
my
fuck?
god.
Jaden,
Oh my.
like,
Jaden,
where
stop
the
with your
fuck
creepers.
are you, Jaden?
I like how.
Alright guys, I have a spore blossom by our... Xavier's
I
dead.
just got a moss block.
Xavier's dead. I have a spore blossom by our,
Oh god, please. I don't want to be Jaden. I don't want to be Jaden.
Hey Ahmad, long live the king.
I fell in water. And I hate you. I hate you so much.
The moment she said "Long live the king," I knew something was up.
I'm hiding in a tree and just.
I'm doomed. Why just dig a hole in the ground like a regular Minecrafter?
Because we spawned on trees.
Oh yeah.
Ahmad, the last time he dug a hole, he died 3 times.
It's a hard knock life for us.
Yeah.
You're right.
Also, if you
Unless
destroy
I
the
just
top
ain't
flower, it all comes crashing down.
Survival.
Yeah, I know, but they're not coming onto me. They're just
What did he say?
falling all the way down. Bad. That needs to be rebuked.
We just need to kill all of the deadly creatures in here, because there's a...
Yeah.
Jaded,
Oh hi, Mark.
Jaded, stop.
You could probably just use
There's
Jaden as bait and then just go down there.
That creeper was staring at you, dude.
The creeper was staring.
It was literally looking at you with the...
Wait.
Oh.
Yeah.
Careful.
You leave the creeper alone. Just wanted to
What is
play.
the creeper... What is it doing? It's just vibe. Why does it have intelligence? Why does it have
Why
intelligence?
does it have intelligence?
Hey, guys.
Oh, hi. Where's the skeletons? You kill it?
I don't know. There wasn't
Oh,
a
okay.
skeleton.
I could just jumped.
There's an arrow.
Guys,
in the
look,
thing. Behind
it's-
you. Behind you.
Okay, so everyone, we found an underwater cave.
Kind of underwater ocean. Damn near shit.
I mean, yeah. Careful of the magma
An
blocks.
underwater ocean. Somebody
I process that statement.
Wait,
Somebody quote
wait,
that.
wait,
I was about to say an
wait
under
a second.
cave ocean, but an
Wait.
underwater ocean.
Under cave ocean isn't even good either.
I want to explore that cave, but you can't.
I do, but we need what's it called? Water breathing?
Yeah, we need water breathing.
Cause it's
that.
so deep. Like, that thing
It's
is huge.
fucking huge.
Jokes on y'all, we have doors.
Oh my
Jokes
god.
on y'all.
That
we
don't
have
work no
doors.
more.
Oh, pain.
I have.
Broke his
Okay,
knees.
everybody, I have food. I'm going to. Why do
I
you
don't
have
feel
full
safe.
iron armor?
I don't feel safe right here.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be using our 1 diamond for useless reasons.
What are you doing?
Boink,
What did you just make?
boink. Ah, yes, I'm about to be a Cameron right now.
Oh my god, that's not good. Regardless. Speaking of that, man, where the hell did he go? Why is she making lily sounds?
Savior.
Did she make a
Yo.
diamond spear to poke you in the
Yo.
ass with? What the hell?
Savior.
Why is she cackling like that? I don't like where this is going.
Oh, no, listen, man. Listen. Oh, no.
I'm content with that.
Let's talk about a little zombie.
Yeah, we're getting.
Wait,
Oh,
hey,
Lily?
Hey.
What just happened?
Why? Help, Ahmad, what are we?
What is this, frostbite?
Are we drowning? We're dying? We're dying to frostbite? Leo! Bro, how do we get out?
I don't know, / creative.
Oh god.
I'm dead. Nah, I'm trying to
Wait.
take a L.
I'm not dying in that, bro.
Okay.
I don't even know what just happened, bro.
Bro.
What just happened?
Oh, Ahmad? Why is there a
What?
goat?
A goat.
There's
Oh,
a
look
goat.
at Tanja.
Mountain goats. Be careful.
Alright, what do you
Why?
mean be careful?
Be careful.
If I get stuck in the snow and
What?
that thing ramps my
Hello?
it ramps my rectum, I'll cry.
What's your name? Hi.
Hi, buddy. You're kind of cute, Loki.
Hi. What?
What the?
A few minutes later.
Hold on. I'm about to whip up this treasure map. Oh, we're mad far from it, but I mean,
Hey, Ahmad. What was that noise?
you want to go find some treasure?
Did you not hear that noise?
What noise?
It sounded like a fucking air horn. It went.
I don't know about you, but this just sounds to me like something trying to eat your ass.
Sounds like we need to get the fuck out of here. There's a underwater stuff here.
Yeah, see, I want some kelp.
What the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck?
Nah, I just heard a deep splash,
What the
bro.
fuck?
What was that?
I'm
I
scared.
think Lily is saying what
I am
the fuck.
scared.
No, wait, no.
Hey, yo.
What the fuck?
Let me in the boat,
Speak
let me in the
English,
boat.
lady.
Well, let me in the boat. Let me in the boat. Why do I keep fucking? Okay.
Lily, stop.